This is a Samsung 50-inch Class 4K Crystal UHD Series Smart TV. We have had this for a little over a year now. It's in our master bedroom. It needed to replace the one that broke. So far, we have had zero complaints with this thing. We love the picture. We like how crystal clear it is, and that is a very big deal to me. Even when we're watching the older TV shows or sitcoms that don't have the 4K quality, they still look crystal clear, and I love that about this TV. That's what I was going for because I like to watch the old reruns. So it's super thin, super, sleek, very elegant in design, looking for the master bedroom. It's got this nice little remote here, super nice. When you turn it on, somehow it goes to this fireplace setting, and you can actually hear it. It sounds like a real fireplace, actually, like with the crackle and pop, so that's kind of cool. But then you've got your home screen here on the bottom, and you would get to select which apps you want to be a priority. So if you only watch certain apps, you can put those front of the list. So you're not constantly having to go through this long list and go down, and try to find it each time. It's right at your fingertips. I also like that feature about it. It will also show you what you've previously watched up above. So you have easy access to that. I also enjoy that feature. It's got the nice volume control, the mute, your basic buttons. It's going to have your Netflix button on there, so you can, if you want to just go ahead and choose Netflix without having to do that, you can, and the Disney Plus.